Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, and on this very video I want to talk about how to effectively delete a video or content from your channel without it negatively impacting on your channel. There are steps you will take in deleting a video on your channel without you having a negative outcome on your channel. That invariably means that there are steps you also take in deleting your video or a particular post from your channel, and it will negatively impact on the channel. For instance, reducing your visibility or even setting up your channel for shadow banning. So what do I mean in essence? If you just go ahead, click on delete for any content at all, whether it be a post or a video or a short on your channel, it will automatically affect your channel on the later on, especially when you consistently do this. There's one thing you need to know, which is that for every video or content you post on this YouTube platform, it's given a number, it's saved with a number. And how would you know that? Whilst recording your video, you find out that a number is allocated for it in the storage system. That's the same thing that happens when you save a content or when you post a video or a short or a post on the YouTube platform. A number for identification is actually allocated to that particular video or post. So therefore, when you just delete it like that, you have automatically deleted the history of that particular video from your YouTube channel. Why is it exactly a challenge? The reason why it's a challenge is that for every video you post, it has scouts for audience through the recommendation or its reach. The YouTube have tried to push it out so that persons who are not yet conversant or who have not come across your channel, they can have that privilege to be able to go through your channel and then see what your channel is all about. So for every video you post, they are introduced to a newer audience, and that implies that when you automatically click the delete icon or the delete button, you have deleted that history, meaning that every subsequent videos that come along, they need to also search for newer audience. And that's why you now find out after a while that your videos are no longer going as fast, because there is also another message for every time you delete a video on your platform, especially where it is consistent or it is something that's constant, that you do it consistently. What happens is that what you are telling the YouTube platform is that that particular video or all the videos you post, for all the videos you post, they are low quality videos, and that implies that they are not good enough for the audience, and that's why you went ahead to delete it. So YouTube will no longer recommend your videos because that's what it will suspect. Since the videos are not something that is worthy for viewers to see, then why should we go ahead recommending the newer videos that are posted? So therefore, how then do I delete a video and for that very act not to have a negative impact on my channel? So the first step is that before you delete any video, ask yourself, is this video that I'm about deleting, is it exactly low quality videos? Ask yourself that, because there are several reasons why one wants to delete a video from his or her channel. Possibly it's suffering from low views, low recommendation, or the video is low quality, or the person who actually made the video felt like it's not giving the kind of information he or she wished to have posted, or possibly he or she have reviewed that particular content and wants to improve on it. So instead of you just going ahead to delete it in that instance, why not just make a newer one and then make your audience understand that the first one that was made, this is just an upgrade or an additional information to the previous one. Do you get? So first of all, ask yourself that question: is it really a low quality video? And if it was, as I said, let's make a newer videos and let your audience know that this one is an update to the initial video you posted on this topic. And when it's suffering from lower views, know that for this YouTube platform, you need to keep posting over and over and over again before your videos will start picking up. And once it have picked up, as long as you don't violate policies, your channel will always stay recommended for newer viewers. So that implies that the fact that it's not picking up today, the fact that they are not recommended enough today, does not mean that in the coming future, in the nearest future, it will not be recommended to newer viewers. Because I've seen channels where currently their old videos are what are traveling much more than the newer videos, and they're getting more views, more subscribers, and so on. But when you have deleted this video, you will not stand a chance for this video to pick up again, and at the end of the day, you're even hurting your channel. So what do you do then? What you need to do is, first of all, as I have earlier said, ask yourself, is it low quality video? And then if it is Because of recommendation, give it some time. And if it is not, possibly it's because of copyright, which would be the next reason why people delete videos. Or the video has any issues at all attached to, maybe did not video it well and so on. What you need to do is to first of all unlist that video. Yes, unlist it. When you have unlisted, give it a while, and the next step is to private the video. Why do I take this step? First, when you unlist it, it have reduced the number of persons that have access to the video, because at unlist, only persons that have the link to the videos or persons who are subscribed to your channels are the person that have the right to see the video. So when you have unlisted, it have reduced that viewership, in the sense that the public do not have access to it except subscribe to your channel. And the next step, when you now private it, only you can see it. So you can either leave it at that private for the rest of time, or you can go ahead after a while to now delete it from the private. That is the best procedure for deleting videos from your channel, so it doesn't hurt your channel on the later run. I believe you have learned something new. So I don't know the reason why you were deleting your videos in the past. Is it because of low recommendation? Is it because the video was low quality? Is it because the videoing process had issue? Is it because a word was wrongly said, or maybe you titled it wrongly and so on? Or is it because there are issues that violate policies, or that has to do with policies violation? Not minding what that particular reason may be, what I would recommend is, first of all, by way of summary, unlist the video, which will reduce the rate of visibility, and then you can go ahead to private it, which only you now can see the video. With this, the advantage to it is that the history for all your video, including that particular video, still remains intact. The history for that video remains intact. It's not wiped off from the YouTube platform. But where you have deleted it automatically, that history is completely wiped out. I believe you have learned. Thank you so much for staying this far. Looking forward to see you always. Come by to check what is new on this channel. For now, I'm looking forward to that very moment when this very channel becomes your most favorite click. Stay blessed and enjoy the rest of the day.